what's up? It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. This channel is all about making money online, where I review IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So, if you're interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. We are on the road to success. Today, I am reviewing this product called Translate to Profit, where they are exposing this app that is paying out $47 to $67 per hour while using this technique. If you're interested in learning what this product has to offer, make sure you stay into the end, because I will be exposing another way how you can make some extra money on the side. And on top of that, I will be giving away my super duper insane bonuses that is exclusively with this package right here, guys. So if you're interested in getting Translate to Profit, you will also be receiving all of my bonuses I have to offer absolutely for free, but at a limited time offer. So let's get into this review, and let me not waste any more of your time. Guys, so I told you I was going to show you another way how to make money when it comes down to translating. This is for you guys who already know like Spanish or who are already bilingual. And it's also for you guys who is interested in picking up Translate to Profit. And you only have like one language you have to offer. So, boom. Here you go. So we on Fiverr, guys. You know, favorite freelancer website. I seen over here majority of people, they was like starting off at 5. I see some at like starting off at 10, and I picked the lady already. She was starting off at $10. Okay, let's go to her channel in her little page. She's talking about. So you see already right here, we got like basic, standard, and premium. And she gives us a little description about each package she has to offer. So project number 1, which is the basic. You got 1,000 word translate manually, and she will deliver this within a day, okay? And then you have standard. Standard, this is the most popular, that is already everyone's favorite. So this is 2,000 word translated manually, and this will take up to 2 days. And then we have the premium one, and this one is a great one. Like if you need something like a big old blog or something. This is for that right here. So this one is 5,000 words translated, and this will take up to 7 days and delivery. All right, guys. So that's just giving you like a little insight, a little template on how you can like set up your own services. Like just copy the best people doing it. Look at her. She got 5 stars, 106 ratings. Super dope. But let's get into this Translate to Profit sales page so we can get more in-depth detail. So right here, title, 3 clicks accidentally discovered app makes $47 to $67 per hour for translating strings of text and documents. I'm not using my mouse app thingy. And right here it says for translating strings of text and documents on a secret platform, guys. So if you want to know what secret platform they are using, you will have to like get this, because they're not going to tell you on the sales page. You got to get it. Okay, and here are some more interesting things you want to know about. So right here, it says we get paid through PayPal, guys. You don't know who PayPal is? PayPal, I believe is worldwide. I'm pretty sure it's worldwide. And yes, you can get paid through PayPal. Right here, over 100,000 in profits given to our customers, which translates to profit. We do not need any foreign language whatsoever. Well, we do not need to know any foreign language whatsoever. So when they have beta testers, they have 48 original people use this tactic that they're offering you and get paid from it. And right here, this is people who's getting paid overnight, and you have 0 experience needed. Even a beginner could profit 100% of happy customers. And this is backed by a 30-day back money guarantee. And if you fail, you'll get paid $100. I believe it's like a $3 off code. Like this is like $17, and it will bring it down to $14 when it comes down to that $3 off code. But yes, guys, I'm about to introduce you to this video, this little short demo well, not really demo, just a short tutorial about Translate to Profit, what it has to offer. Just maybe like 2 minutes in there because I have to go over my bonuses, guys, my amazing bonuses that I know you wanna know. I know you wanna know. But let's get into this yes, right here, video right here.
What if it were possible to get paid $47 to $67 every time you translated a string of text or document? That's exactly what we're doing right now, and it's never been more profitable. Here, last week I earned a total of $3,087.56 in pure profit. Wouldn't it be nice to wake up to that kind of money in your bank account instead of seeing it always decrease? I tell you, I've been making money online for a while now, but the thrill of waking up to sales never gets old. So, what's the secret? How do I pull it off? It all comes down to a secret, untouched platform. It's the secret sauce that pays us $47 to $67 for translating documents and strings of texts. For instance, we are given a document in English, and we could easily get paid $47 for translating it into Japanese. You see, right now, billions of people around the world aren't able to communicate with foreigners due to language barriers. And that's why they're willing to pay you money to translate in a local language. But here's the problem. You probably don't know multiple foreign languages, or perhaps none at all. And that's where Translate to Profit comes in. Translate to Profit is the world's first app that uses breakthrough artificial intelligence, which allows us to get paid $47 to $67 each time we translate a document or simple string of text, without needing to know any foreign language whatsoever. See, after making a pile of cash from this, we decided to take things to the next level by helping ordinary people just like you. We invited a group of beta testers by giving them access to Translate to Profit. And guess what? In just 3 days, everyone ended up making cash with it. Even one of the beta testers ended up making $1,180.67 in just 5 days. Here, let me show you how simple it is. Step 1, upload. You'll be given a document or string of text. You'll want to upload this into the Translate to Profit system. Don't worry, this is super simple and doesn't require anything technical. Step 2, translate. Hit the translate button to the language that's needed. 1 mouse click required. And step 3, get paid. Enjoy daily deposits of cash directly into your bank account or PayPal. Withdraw cash anytime you need. After our members follow these 3 steps, they're able to receive payments directly to their PayPal or bank accounts, and you too could start doing the same, but only if you have Translate to Profit. The money we're making never stops coming in. Here, let me show you how easy it is for us.
Yep. If you want to, you totally can watch the rest of the video, because all you have to do is go in my description or in my comments. I will leave a link, that link for my bonus page. Yes, when you go to my bonus page, you can just hit any of those buttons and you will be redirected to the sales page, so it will be easy access for you guys. I'm running out of time here when it comes down to me making this video, so I want to get right into my bonuses, guys. Don't forget, I said my bonuses is at a limited time offer. So that means it's only 4 days and a few hours left until this offer is no longer to be given out. Like, soon you see 0, you can't get it no more. So let's get into my bonuses. Bonus number 1, 0 to Profit with printables from your boy Ike Pass. He is doing this for a living, and he is showing you step by step how to make a profit with printables, guys. Then we have bonus number 2, Printly. Another way on how to sell digital items. This is just like printable digital items, guys. So this is Printly, another way to make money using that same method, but more information is given, guys. Okay. Then we have bonus number 3, how to write headlines that sell. So when it comes down to you like selling your own printables, selling your online stuff, you need to make sure that you have a headline that will catch people's attention and they'll be interested in what you have to offer, guys. So I'm right here to help you. Then we have bonus number 4. This is how to find hot selling items to sell on your e-commerce store. So this right here, this is training by Jonah Armstrong, my mentor. He is giving you free tips and tricks on how to find hot selling items on your e-commerce store. You don't want to just be trying to promote everything that's not in high demand. So yes. Then we have bonus number 5. This is all the vendor bonuses that they have to offer, guys. So if you're interested in getting Translate to Profit, remember that it's only a limited time offer, only 4 days left to receive all of my bonuses, and they will not have their doors open for long. This is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, and it's only at a price of $17. But don't forget, you get that $3 off discount, guys. So get the secret, get this Translate to Profit to make money online through their way and through the way that I showed you using Fiverr, guys, because you can make money on all of these platforms. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel if I gave you any kind of valuable information, and I will see you in my next video.